Hello and welcome to Phix Provider 2.0. Today we'll show you how to navigate the exciting new features of the app. You will be able to log into the app once your provider account has been approved, but before you can go online and start receiving bookings, you need to set up your account. Editing your profile. From the settings screen, click on Profile. It is important that you add a recent clear photo of yourself. Putting inappropriate photos may result in your account being locked or banned from the app. You are required to enter your respective personal information and work information details. Your personal information will be kept private and will not be shared with customers. However, customers can see your work information. Therefore, make sure you describe your services in as much detail as possible. Once done, tap on the button below to save. Next up, adding the services that you can provide. Tap on Add New Services. Select the category, subcategory, and the specific services. You may add more than one service. Once done, tap on the Save button. The services which were selected will appear in the Services screen. You may input your pricing accordingly. Do note that the pricing is based on per unit or per hour. Customers may select the number of units or hours when they make a booking. This will be followed by configuring your schedule. From the settings screen, tap Configure Schedule. Tap on the plus sign on the top right corner and add your schedule. You may choose to assign your workdays. It could be for every day or just on selected days. Then you're required to define how long this schedule will run. Next, select your start and end time of each workday. If you like to work from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m, you can do so. The maximum number of hours per day is 12 hours. Once done, tap on the Save button and your slots will be created. Now that your slots are created, customers will be able to view them and choose a timing that best suits them. If you're offline or engaged in a job, customers can still make a booking for you at the next available slot. That way, you won't lose out on the bookings. If you cannot work for a particular time or day, simply delete the specific slots which you are not able to take bookings. Just remember to do this before someone books you. If you want to work beyond your work hours, then you simply need to be online so that customers will book you for a now booking. Now that we've set up your profile, you may proceed to go online and start receiving bookings. On the provider home screen, you can see the upcoming appointments with customers. You can toggle the online-offline slider to indicate your current availability. If you are offline, customers can book a slot for your services based on your schedule. If you are online, customers can see you on the map. This allows better chances of getting a booking. Let's see how to receive a booking. How to check upcoming jobs and accept jobs. When a Phix customer has made a booking for your services at a later time or date, it will be automatically accepted if it is within your available schedule. You will get an email notification regarding the booking, and the booking details will also appear in your home screen. However, when a Phix customer requires a service immediately, you will receive this pop-up on your phone. You have 30 seconds to decide if you are able to carry out the job. If you decide to proceed taking the job, tap the blue button. Otherwise, tap the decline button. Once you have accepted the job, it will appear on your home screen, and you can start making your way to the job location. How to carry out a job. When you are ready to make your way to the job location, swipe right on the bottom to indicate to the customer that you are on your way. When you're on the way, customers will receive a notification, so they'll be expecting you soon. You can choose to navigate if you are unsure of the way to the job location. Once you have reached the job location, swipe right again on the bottom to inform the customer that you have arrived. When you are ready to start the work, swipe again to start the job. If it's an hourly-based job, a timer will appear to record the time that you have spent carrying out the job, and the customer will be charged with your hourly rate included. If it's a unit-based job, no timer will be visible. However, the faster you finish, the more time you'll have to take on other jobs. When your job is completed, swipe Job Complete. The invoice will then pop up, showing the amount that the customer will be charged. You may also include any miscellaneous fees, such as additional material that you purchased and used in the job. It is important to check if the customer is paying by credit card or cash. The mode of payment will be shown at the bottom of the screen. If it's a cash payment, you'd have to collect the total amount from the customer. If it's a card payment, you don't have to collect anything. Make sure to double-check the invoice before you proceed to show it to the customer. If the customer agrees, get them to sign on the invoice and swipe Invoice Customer. That's it! How to check your earnings. From the History tab, you can see how much you have made for the week. Phix takes a small percentage of your earnings for our administration, and you will see the adjusted figures in your Earnings tab. You can tap on previous weeks to see the earnings then. For each week, you can also see the details of your completed jobs, cancelled jobs, and disputed jobs. To be fair to you, app commissions are deducted only from the service fee and not your material or other miscellaneous fee. If a customer pays via credit card, the amount after deducting app commissions will be credited to your wallet. If a customer pays via cash, we will deduct app commissions from your wallet. How to make a withdrawal. At the present moment, Phix makes transfers only via Pay Now. If you don't have a Pay Now account yet, it's best you get one as soon as possible. To make a withdrawal, simply tap on the Withdraw button. Insert the amount you wish to withdraw along with your Pay Now ID and tap Confirm. You can expect the transfer made to you within 48 hours. How to be a good provider. Being a good provider is a lot about common sense. There are a few important things to remember. Don't be late for your appointments. Be polite and friendly. Let the customer know what is going on. Check with the customer before leaving. Take note, when you are completing a job, you can add the miscellaneous cost that is not included in the service fee, and you can also add in any discounts that you would like to give to the customer. Remember, if the customer is happy with you and your work, they are more likely to give you a good rating and feedback, and this will only help you for your future jobs. How to resolve disputes. When you come across any issues with a customer, for example, they do not agree with your fees, please be polite and respectful and solve the issues by discussing calmly with the customer. If the customer gets aggressive, please look out for your own safety and get yourself out of any dangerous situations. Remember, your safety is your own personal responsibility. If you are unable to solve the issues between you and the customer, send an email to Phix admin with all the details and we will see how we can resolve the issues. We appreciate your efforts and we trust that you will provide a great service to your customers.